What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Chevy key fob. So this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and you'll also want to grab yourself a flathead screwdriver. So if we look on the back of the fob, we need to take this back cover off. And if we look on the back down near the key ring, there's this little notch in here. Get that under and then pry up. And it takes a little bit of pressure, but you want to be as careful as possible. As these get older, sometimes you'll see where these break, these little tips. But anyway, go ahead and pull that back off, and then we can see our battery right there. And there's a little notch right here that will allow you to get a screwdriver in there. Just kind of get under the edge of it, pop it out. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure we're installing that with the plus side up. So pop that in there. And then we'll take our cover and kind of hook the top first, like that. And then snap the bottom part on, like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.